Okay, I made it to my training, so I'm not in my car no more. The second one is the power to a product rule. Here, it's the same as this one where we're distributing the outer exponent inside, but now there's more than one number inside the parentheses. More than one base. Remember we said that this has an invisible exponent of 1 yesterday. So you distribute the outer exponent to each exponent in the parentheses. So that becomes a to the n power and b to the n power. Now we're going to open it up and we're going to look at the definition. To raise a product to a power, you raise both factors to the power and do the same thing, multiply the exponents. Everybody got it? Now let's look at some examples. So here we have, and I'm holding the phone with one hand and writing in the other, so that's why it might look a little off. So we have f to the third, g to the fifth, raised to the 7th power. So we're going to distribute the 7 to the 3. 7 times 3. Then we distribute the 7 to the 5. So that's going to be 5 times 7. And when we simplify, our answer becomes f to the 21 and g to the 35th power. Everybody got it? All right, let's look at an example. Now look at this one. We have a coefficient. This is the biggest mistake people make in this unit. When you distribute, so remember this has an invisible 1 there, the 3 over here, people say 4 times 3, oh, my coefficient's 12 now. It's not 12. So I highly encourage you to write it out just like I do. So I'm going to write it as 4 to the 3rd power. That way I know 4 times 4 times 4 is actually 64 as the coefficient, not 12. Then we distribute everything else. 4 to the 2 times 3 and s to the 9 times 3. So this becomes 64, r to the 6th power, s to the 27th power. Everybody got that? Okay, let's try another one. We distribute the 5 over here to the invisible 1 that's on there. That's 2 to the 1 power. So that becomes 2 to the 5th, e to the 4 times 5, and then f to the 3 times 5. So 2 to the 5th power is 32, e to the 20, f to the 15. So pause the video and try the last one on your own. Okay, hopefully you paused and now you're back. Here we're doing -5 to the 2nd power, x to the 6 times 2. This y is an invisible 1, so that's going to be y to the 1 times 2. And then on the z, 8 times 2. So -5 to the 2nd power, -5 times -5 is going to be a positive 25, x to the 12th, y to the 2nd, z to the 16th power. And that summarizes the power of product rule.